Hi everybody. I started in the live stream a new painting, Mother and Child, and the painter, but I have troubles there. I have to buy a new computer. I want to start an almost daily upload of my process in the studio with my paintings, so you can follow it from begin to the end. I paint in the old master style, and I like the Dutch painters of the golden age. The alla prima style of Frans Hals and the layering style of Rembrandt. The Mother and Child I painted first with an imprimatura. That's an Italian word for the first layer in burnt sienna, and after that with weiße Kreise. That is wit krijt or chalk. What's the name of it? It's chalk. I look for the word in English. The chalk sketch. And after that I did a grayscale underpainting. Two colors in different gray tones. The colors I use are titanium white and ivory black. And with these two colors you make different grays. The solvent you can use is white spirit in the first layers, or for instance Camsol. It's better for your health. You can use any other brand. It's a white spirit. I paint the underpainting with a lean quick drying impasto. The recipe you can find in this video. But if you follow me, you don't need to do that. There are many ways to roam. Remember the vet over lean rule. Dus start with a solvent. The solvent is also a quick drying progress. Dus that's handy. My advice to you is practice, practice, practice. You can look many videos, but you have to practice. Then you get the feeling with your paint and your brushes. So start painting. See you.